You know what I think? I think that anybody who thinks that they deserve health care, that they deserve it, they're mistaken. Let me ask you guys all a question. All you people who support Barack Obama's health care bill. Where in the United States Constitution does it say that some people are responsible for other people's health care? That my taxes or my income should pay for other people's lifestyles and their bad habits. For instance, if someone overeats and they become obese, or someone eats the wrong types of food, or someone does something that's preventable and then they get a disease that's most diseases, most cancer, most heart diseases, all preventable. And guess what? They want the American taxpayer to pay for it and foot the bill for people who can't take care of themselves. Whatever happened in this country, whatever happened to individual responsibility, where, if you get sick, guess whose fault it is? It's your fault. It's not the taxpayer's fault. The only responsibility for someone's health is that person and at most their family. Their family is responsible for taking care of them. We have a system where the state takes care of old people, because guess what? Old people, you know why the state has to take care of old people? Because old people don't have family members who care about them. The family is the issue here. It's not health care. Most health care is to treat disease. We have a healthcare system based on disease. It has nothing to do with preventative care. Who even cares about preventative? The only way that you can ensure a healthy life is to eat the right types of foods, to not overeat, to drink plenty of fluids. Those basic things are basic natural laws that humans have that ensure good health and optimum health. But you have these idiots in Washington, D.C., and these idiots like Barack Obama and all these people who think that, the healthcare system will make it's so much better to have insurance. Everybody needs to be in the system of sickness and death. They need to embrace the system of sickness and death so they can be insured by these billion-dollar corporations that make money off exploit people's health and all this business. And a lot of people out there will say, well, but Barack Obama's trying to have a public health option where everything can be, where the costs are cut and everything else. Of course, we know if there's a public option, then there's going to be all sorts of other problems that come along with a public option, like what kind of people would be treated and what people will be turned away from treatment. How much, again, why should people be forced? If we're in a free country, why should we be forced with our paychecks and our income to pay our taxes for something we morally object to? Why should we be morally responsible for other people's health care? Guess what? All you people on MSNBC and Fox and CNN, or anybody who are supporting Barack Obama in his healthcare endeavors, you all apparently don't understand anything about what this country is founded upon. It was founded upon liberty and personal responsibility. All these people who want, healthcare, what is healthcare? Let me ask you guys out there, what is healthcare? True healthcare to me is taking care of yourself. It's not relying on the government and everybody else to pay for your problems. If you want to smoke your whole life, you want to overeat your whole life, and you don't want to exercise, and you want to be a lazy ass, you don't want to be productive by any means to do anything, and you just want to, just mooch off the American taxpayer? I mean, that's ridiculous. Why should anybody support you? You should be ashamed of yourself for wanting other people to pay for your medical needs. No, the only person that's responsible for your health is yourself. If you want good health, you follow natural laws. You don't play into this business of, if I get these drugs for this, and I get these drugs for that, and I can get these shots on this. The drugs don't work. Drugs don't help cure disease. They treat symptoms of disease. They treat symptoms. They don't cure anything. That's why, if medicine was so good, if our healthcare system was so good, then why is there more people sick in America than ever before here in this country? Why is there more disease? Why is there all these problems? If healthcare is so great, if you believe in the system so much, why is it, what good is it doing? If you believe in it so much, then, I just don't see why you believe in a system that has failed. It's a system of sickness and death. Because people don't believe in personal responsibility anymore. People think that disease just comes out of nowhere. These people think that all these problems are just, it was just chance. It's horrible, and it is horrible. But you know what? It's not just chance. these things are caused and brought on by people's habits, their daily lifestyle. It's just unbelievable. I don't feel. Look, someone will ask me, "What do you?" People will ask me, "Don't you, don't you think it's moral to for everybody's taxes to pay for everybody else's health?" No, I don't. I don't see in my view, universal health care is immoral. It's actually wrong because it's the government saying you're forced. We're going to spend your money the way we want it to for you so we can take care of other people's health problems. People who didn't want to take care of themselves. They wanted to smoke and drink themselves to death and do drugs and do all these problems. And, these people who are all screwed up in the head and all screwed up with their body. Guess what? Most of that is because of themselves. That's the reality. It's their lifestyles. We have here's the bottom line. Where in the Constitution does it say we're supposed to take care? Where does it say you're entitled to health care? That the American people are supposed to provide, or the government is supposed to provide health care. No, they're not supposed to provide health care. The government isn't really supposed to provide anything at all. The only purpose of government is to promote liberty, and that's it. Health care isn't liberty. Healthcare is just a facade that's been made up by mainly liberals who think that, we're one big community and we should all take care of each other. No, we shouldn't. You have individuals and you have families. They take care of themselves. It's called self-sufficiency and self-responsibility. Something clearly that all these people in the media and a big portion of this country fails to understand anymore. So, if you want good health, guess what? The only person the only person responsible for your health is you.